Fact or fiction? You need to work 80 hours a week to succeed in business. Welcome back to Side Income Secrets, where we dive deep into the world of entrepreneurship, side hustles, and financial freedom. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our tips and tricks to maximize your income and achieve your dreams. Today, we're tackling a hot topic. Do you really need to work 80 hours a week to succeed in business? Let's find out if this is fact or fiction. The idea that working long hours equates to success is deeply ingrained in our culture. Many people believe that to achieve their goals, they must sacrifice their personal time and well-being. You might have heard stories of entrepreneurs who boast about their grueling schedules, waking up at dawn and working late into the night. But is this really the key to success? Let's break it down. First, we need to consider what success means. Success is subjective and can vary from person to person. For some, it may mean building a multi-million-dollar company, while for others, it could simply mean having a comfortable life that allows them to spend time with family and pursue passions. So is there a one-size-fits-all approach to achieving this success? Not at all. Research has shown that working excessively long hours can lead to burnout, decreased productivity, and even health issues. People who work long hours often find themselves less efficient, which can counteract any benefits of those extra hours. In many cases, working smarter, not harder, can yield better results. Let's talk about the importance of balance. Successful individuals often prioritize time management and efficiency over sheer hours worked. They focus on high-impact activities that drive their business forward, rather than just filling their schedules with tasks. It's essential to know which activities will bring the most value to your goals and dedicate your time to those. Another important factor is delegation. Many successful business owners understand the power of teamwork. They surround themselves with talented individuals who can take on specific tasks. By delegating effectively, they free up their time to focus on strategic decisions, networking, and growth opportunities. This is a stark contrast to the belief that one person must do it all alone. Now, let's consider some real-life examples. There are numerous entrepreneurs who have built successful businesses while maintaining a balanced lifestyle. Think of those who prioritize their health, relationships, and personal development. They demonstrate that working fewer hours can lead to greater creativity and better decision-making, ultimately contributing to business success. So, where does that leave us? The idea that you need to work 80 hours a week to succeed is more fiction than fact. Yes, hard work is crucial in achieving your goals, but it's not the only ingredient. It's about working efficiently, maintaining balance, and focusing on the right tasks. In conclusion, remember that success is not just about the hours you put in, but the value you create during those hours. You don't have to sacrifice your well-being for your business to thrive. Thank you for joining us today on Side Income Secrets. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on entrepreneurship and achieving your financial dreams. Until next time, keep hustling smart.